My John Deere lawn tractor 345 won't start. It has fuel, coils are hot, battery good. It just grinds and grinds. Had been running well last week. New oil filter and oil and fluids to start mowing season. Any ideas?
You have spark at the plugs? Is the solenoid in the carburetor clicking open as soon as the key is turned on?
No to spark plugs, yes to solenoid.
Engine has 2 impulse coils, 2 ignition coils, and a single igniter. Not likely the impulse or the coils have all gone bad. Problem with no spark has to be the igniter. Is there battery voltage to the igniter?
Don't know. Not sure where the igniter is. I know just enough to be dangerous.
http://jdpc.der.com/pimagesmp23mp23903_un01dec00.gif. Hash is the igniter, 2 plug-ins. Black box.
My hub is going to replace the ignition control module. We'll see how that goes.
Okay. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.